Use Autopilot with Robinhood. Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you how to use Autopilot with Robinhood. So let's get started. Start by setting up recurring investments, then choose a stock of or ETF. Tap buy and select the recurring option. Decide on an amount and how often you want to invest. After that, diversify your portfolio by picking a mix of stocks and ETFs. Consider broad market ETFs like Vanguard or SPY to spread your risk. Use fractional shares to invest in higher priced stocks even with a small budget, allowing for greater diversification. Finally, monitor your portfolio regularly, adjust your investment as needed, and stay updated with market news and trends to make informed decisions. This method helps you automate investing while keeping your portfolio balanced. And this is a quick and simple way to use Autopilot with Robinhood.